hello and welcome to my channel. Today we have for you a short review of this budget smartphone car holder. So stay tuned. Alright, let's begin with the unboxing. So see what we here have in the box. Holder and the feet of the holder. And nothing, no instruction, no nothing. Okay. First of all, see what we here have on the box. So it's suitable for mobile phones, media players, smartphones, and that's all. And rotation 360 degrees. By the way, the phone size is, there must be something here, 6 to 8.5 centimeters. You can rotate it 360 degrees, so, and you can see over here. This brand is Esperanza and the model name is EMH113. Okay, this is the box. Let's see. Well, the build quality of this plastic, I think it's not so bad for this budget holder. Okay, let's attach this to this holder. Unscrew this. So, and let's see here. So, and push it together. It rotates how you want. Maybe you want so, or so, or so. To fix it, you must unscrew. Okay, so here we go. So, well, no, on table holds not. Well, it rotates good. And it seems to be, it's very similar to a Samsung phone holder. Well, that's not bad. By the way, I left the links for this great budget car holder for smartphones in the description below. If you want to check price or buy it, check this link below. All over, I think it's not bad. Well, here is the button, and then if you push it, it opens this holder. Let's try to push. Not bad. Well, on my opinion, on my personal opinion, I think this is not bad for this. About €3 here in Europe and $3.50, something like this. Okay, I think that's all. What can I say? All over. Good gadget for this little price. Okay, thanks for watching.